Hey friends, today we are going to read Food Store and the Woods, but today we are going to read it together. An oak tree is like a food store in the woods. Animals get what they need from trees, and then they go away. Animals like to eat acorns from the tree. Who will come to get the acorns? Listen, someone is coming now. A mouse creeps up to the big oak tree. She holds an acorn and nibbles it. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Screech, screech, screech. Then she hears a bigger animal coming. She scampers away. Scampers. Let's clap scampers. Scampers. How many syllables did you hear? Yeah, 2 syllables. What does scampers mean? If we look at the picture, we can see that the mouse is running away. Pluck! A blue jay swoops down into the big oak tree. She pulls an acorn off a little stem. Then she hears a bigger animal coming. She flies away fast. Chatter, chatter, chatter. A squirrel runs up and down the oak tree's trunk. He stuffs acorns in his cheeks. Chomp, chomp. Then he hears bigger animals coming. He leaps up to another tree. Gobble, 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 gobble. Some wild turkeys trot under the big oak tree. They peck acorns with their beaks. Peck, peck, peck. Then they hear a bigger animal coming. They all waddle away together. Yip! Yip, yip. A fox walks over to the big oak tree. He chews acorns with his teeth. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then he hears a bigger animal coming. He runs away fast. Grr, grr, grr. Why do you think the fox was running away so quick? Maybe the fox is afraid of the next animal that's coming. Shake, shake, shake. A little bear climbs up the big oak tree. She shakes some acorns from the branches. Plop, plop, plop. Whoosh. Then she hears something. Whoosh. A snowstorm is blowing in. Hurry up, little bear. But leave some acorns for the other animals. They all want acorns before winter gets here. Munch, munch, munch. Friends, today when we read this book, did you notice anything that you didn't notice the first time you read a book? What was it? Yeah, I noticed some new things this time too. That's why it's so wonderful. After we've already read a book, we can keep reading it over and over again to keep discovering new things.